Here I am right now, about 20 minutes ago. I take off my clothes, let's speed it up, and see how much I actually weigh. And I'm 41 years old right now. And I have a healthometer. I wanted it to be very accurate. Okay, so I'm at least 200 pounds. 208, what is that? 208 and a half. So you see my dilemma. Here's a picture of me, and the reason why I don't look fat in that picture, or in this picture, is because I was about ranging from age 19 to 28 in those pictures, and I weighed about 155 back then. I'm 5'7", so that's about an average weight for a 5'7" guy. Look how skinny I used to be, and I ate as much as I wanted to. I didn't eat bad though. I ate pretty good most of the time. Lots of vegetables, lots of fruits, nuts. And then I would eat bad. But there I am now. I look pregnant and I'm fat. Yes, I am fat. I weigh a lot. I need to figure out what kind of diet I'm going to do. I don't know. I need to figure out what kind of diet I'm going to go on and stick to it for 2019, because I'm going to declare it right now. I'm going to go on a weight loss challenge, and I'm going to record it every Thursday and post it every Thursday to see how much weight I'm losing every week. Because right now I weigh 208 pounds and I'm 5'7". 208 and a half pounds at 5'7" is not working for me. I feel like crap. I've gained 20 pounds in the last year, I think. I have 2 kids, stressful job, stressful move recently. It is what it is. I'm not going to make any excuses. But in 2019, I'm going to do this weight loss challenge. And all I got to figure out now is, what diet am I going to do? And my goal is to make it to 155. If that is my ideal weight. That's where I was at. So about that, by December 31st, 2019, I'm 155 pounds. And I'm going to put the stipulation in that I have to lose the weight without exercising. I want to do a diet and be so strict with it that I lose weight even without exercise, and see if it works. So I'm going to get to the drawing board, figure out what diet it is, because I got to lose this weight. I look pregnant. When my wife was pregnant with our second kid, I was bigger than her. And the other thing I've noticed that I've gained a lot is this fat back here. That's the fat I hate. Well, I hate it all, but... So, every Thursday I'm going to be posting a video. Next week I'm going to have hopefully figured out what diet I'm going to do.